Hello y'all, as you all can see the title of this video is going to tell you a few things about my locks and how I maintain them. So if you all want to see how I maintain these locks, please stay tuned and watch my video. I will be basically doing a few retightening, as you will see in a moment. So I was just in my living room chilling, watching TV, and I said, you know what? Let me give the people an update on my beauty channel since I haven't been updating you all on here. And here I am showing you all what my locks look like. Bear with me. So as you all may know, I started off with them very short. Here I'm just using a mixture of a little conditioner and purified water and things of that nature. And here's the tool. So let's get right into it. That is the tool that I am using. I have multiple sizes of those, and I am just basically picking a lock. I'm just moving my hair around right here. So when I do my hair, I don't have to look in a mirror. So I just like to make sure I have some front locks going forward. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just checking to make sure I have, them placed where I want them to be, because I kind of interlock and lay them down my locks where I want them to go, if you guys get what I'm saying. So I'm just making sure I have them placed where I want, and I'm just gonna go double check in the mirror. And on TV, you guys see them. I'm watching Martin, so that episode was funny as hell. That's what I'm talking in the background, just repeating that. Bear with me, stay with me. Okay, we're finally getting into the maintenance. So I am just feeling for locks that I know I didn't retighten. Again, most of my hair is already retightened at this point in the video. So I'm wrapping any loose hairs around the lock. I don't have that much new growth, but my hair, I can't go too long because of the texture of my hair. So about every 4 to 5 weeks. So I'm just going from east to west, and I'm pushing down to make sure there's no hole. And I just inserted my lock, and now I'm going from north to south here, and I do this 2 to 4 to 3 times. It doesn't matter. Sometimes I end up doing 3-4 rotations. So I'm just spraying my hair here because I like to keep it moist when I'm doing this. And I'm going to show you all another one. I'll be a little bit more clearer. So I'm feeling for the lock. You guys can see it's about, I don't know, maybe 1/4 of an inch of new growth. Everybody retightens their hair according to what it needs. This is what my hair does. So I retighten as I feel I need, and I feel like it's between 4 and 5 weeks. So I'm just putting the lock inside, and I'm making sure I'm holding on to it because I don't want to put too much tension. So I'm holding on to it when I pull through from east to west, and then I'm probably going to go one more from north to south. And again, I'm pushing down to make sure there's no hole before I pull that through. And that's it. So that was 2 rotations. Again, I normally do 2 I decided to insert a clip just showing you all what my hair looks like overall and tell you all a little bit more about it. So I started with braids, 2-strand twists. Some of my hair is half braided and the ends are 2-strand twists. So I would say most of them are braid locks. So I started with braid locks, and I maintained them with interlocking. As you all can see, my hair, the density is thinner on the sides, and the front and the back of my hair tends to be a little bit thicker. As you all see, the ends of my locks are a little bit thicker because I started with braids and 2-strand twists. I feel like interlocking, in my personal opinion, depending on how many rotations and how the density of your hair is, how thick your hair is, and things of that nature, does affect the lock size. And I do feel like me interlocking kind of condensed my locks and made them a little bit more smaller, as opposed to someone who just perhaps maybe retwists. And again, the texture of my hair is really soft, as you all can see. So I have about 172 locks or something like that. And you guys can see the parts here. I didn't necessarily work on a grid when I put these locks in my hair. I just basically tried to part them all overall the same. And to be honest, y'all, I didn't really pay attention, didn't really think about the front of my hair being a little bit more thinner. So that's why some locks in the front of my hair are a little bit thinner, because that's just how my hair has always been, even as a loose natural. But I thank you all for watching this video. I don't want to talk too much because I've been talking all over this voiceover. I'm going to just shut up and let y'all end like this. Thank you all for watching.